Pinpointer allows you to locate potential targets more precisely and to distinguish between ferromagnetic, non-ferromagnetic and non-metallic target objects. Connect the super sensor. Power on the Rover C4 and select the operating mode Pinpointer. The Rover C4 is now waiting until the Bluetooth connection is established. Start the Visualizer 3D Studio software. Click on Import and select your detector. Select the interface and the operating mode Pinpointer. Move the probe back and forth, to the left and to the right. Keep the probe straight and always pointing in the same direction. Do not swing or rotate it. The Rover C4 display shows the active Pinpointer screen with basic signatures. In fact, the detection software on the notebook provides much more detailed signatures. It helps you to distinguish between non-metallic targets, as well as ferromagnetic objects and non-ferromagnetic objects. You can enable the LED orbit to get additional immediate visual feedback.